is that I'm thankful that God has placed me with you to build up this body. Christ in you is the hope for me. You also need Christ live in me. And I also enjoy from the morning revival that it says that God is near. Mga igsoon, ang Diyos doon mga igsoon. God is with us, which means doon ang Ginoo sa tuwa mga igsoon. So, whenever we lose our temper, in a practical sense, we lose our temper, we lose our patience, we can come to God. Just say to God and say everything what you want. Then, spontaneously, ang Ginoo mo supply sa tuwa mga igsoon. So, muna, na-enjoy ginako na ba nga kanang word nga, God is with us. He is Emmanuel. We can enjoy Him day by day mga igsoon.